Introducing Defiance, the next generation of DeFi, powered by AI, through channeling runtime environment. The problem? Currently, many DeFi protocols are distributed and fragmented, making it difficult for users to interact with multiple platforms seamlessly. This fragmentation creates friction, reduces efficiency, and limits the true potential of decentralized finance. Defiance proposes a solution, an integrated ecosystem that unifies these protocols into a single modular DApp, enabling smooth interoperability, simplifying user experience, and scalable strategy across the DeFi landscapes. Defiance runs on CRE, so critical decisions are based on consensus verified inputs, not a single API response. When the workload requests a OHLC market data from CoinGecko, independent nodes fetch and validate the same dataset. Then CRE aggregates a single trusted result. That verified snapshot is passed to the AI agent, which returns a structured strategy decision. From there, CRE workflow converts the decision into executable intents and submit them on-chain through CRE reporting and execution capabilities. Every outcome is logged with the status and transaction trace, so the full pipeline is transparent, auditable, and reproducible. No single point of failure, no opaque decision path, just verifiable autonomous DeFi execution. For this demo, we defined two trading triggers: spot leverage flow with Uniswap and Aave. Long, ETH USDC pair with ETH as collateral, borrow stablecoin in Aave, swap back to ETH for leverage. Short, stablecoin as collateral, borrow ETH, swap back to stablecoin. With is prepared to enable R20 operations. And perpetual flow with GMX, pairwise trading with 5x leverage, long or short. Join me as we see Defiance in action. This is the UI, and we have a compact dashboard to record and track trades, plus a price chart of ETH USDC. I have two trades recorded from March 3rd, both showing solid profit more than 7%. I will connect the wallet only to fetch the address, then trigger flow 1 directly from the console. The router contract are deployed on Arbitrum fork, thanks to Tenderly. I will select option 1, spot position using Uniswap and Aave, with empty payload. We can see the Gemini analysis, which, after the price drop, recommends not trading, given that there is no clear direction. If we go back to the graph, we can observe the decline here. There's also a feature I find particularly useful. Through a Node.js child process, I can execute the same workflow directly from the front end. Parameters are entered beforehand, and the trade fields are automatically populated with the output. The code has an internal flag that allows forcing the operation with an action short payload. Given market condition, I can use it to show the flow. Here we have the output data and the transaction hash. I'm going to save this operation and will inspect it internally to see what happened. We see the interaction between Aave and Uniswap. AUSDC is the dev token, meaning a borrow of USDC was executed. The borrowed USDC was then swapped on Uniswap for reward. Final state, leverage USDC position backed by Aave collateral. This process without a payload is running autonomously with Gemini's recommendation. We got a short on GMX. Gemini says the price of HIT has decreased above 8% over the observed period. Recent candles confirm the downward trend. Here, the interaction between exchange router and GMX order bolts, and the flow of longs in Aave and Uniswap, and we see EWET as a dev token. Today, we showed how contracts and flow already work, but the most important thing is where we're going. Integration of account abstraction through ERC4337. This eliminates friction in the user experience, enabling anyone to interact with contracts without needing to understand private keys or gas fees. This opens the door to mass adoption. Integration of more protocols, lending decks, stablecoins, derivatives, intelligent arbitrage, and cross-chain service to achieve full interoperability. Scalability to 1 billion of users. Prepared infrastructure to support massive volumes, from professional traders to retail users, and why not institutions. This transforms the platform into a hub of financial opportunities, not just an aggregator.